Hey guys, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to replace a graphics card in a desktop computer. Here is the graphics card my friend just gave me, and this is my computer. I have to replace because the graphics card that's in my computer right now is like terrible. So first you're going to want to remove these screws, the thumb screws I believe they're what they're called. It's actually different on every computer of how the top is removed, but oh yeah, first of all, you gotta make sure that the power supply and the cable connecting to your monitor are just not there. Make sure, just not connected. But yeah, as you can see, it's already done on mine. One sec. Okay, so now that that's off, I can show you inside. This is the graphics card. So you're gonna need a screwdriver, which I forgot to grab, but okay, so I have my screwdriver now. So now we're going to proceed in taking out the graphics card. So you want to unscrew these, take this out, and make sure you don't lose those. Actually, this is a good idea not to lose any screws when you're dealing with any computer related technology or whatever. So now we have to if you can notice, the bottom part where you put the graphics card in is different from that. So we're actually gonna have to unscrew this one to put it in that section. Should I show? Okay, so I got this part off. Now I can place this in here. One sec. I'm gonna need both hands to do this one because that little gray piece right there needs to be moved. So, one sec. Okay, now that's in there, going to screw that in. Okay, so now that the graphics card is in, we can just pop this back in. Okay. Oh, that one. Alright, now it's time to test it out, see if it works. Okay, so because this graphics card doesn't have any VGA adapters, and the monitor that I'm using does, only has a VGA cable, so I'm gonna have to use this adapter and plug that in. Okay, and then get the power cord, put that in right there, and plug this. Okay, rid of my cat. Oh, I unplugged the monitor accidentally. Alright, let's give it a shot. Oh, one last thing, gotta put on the power switch. Computer is running. Let's see if the monitor recognizes it. Alright, proof that it works, right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and or like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.